and animal welfare reform has a profound impact on livestock farming, with consequences for an entire generation of farmers. Therefore, it is important to adopt balanced political decisions that reconcile animal welfare with the preservation of EU production capacity and continued vibrant rural areas. Only by involving those working in the sector can the European institutions implement policies that, free from the baseless emotional assumptions, rely on the latest technological and scientific developments available.
It's time for open dialogue to ensure feasible and sustainable changes where they are needed.